We all need more storage ideas for in the kitchen, so I absolutely loved when I saw the members of the DIY on a Budget Facebook group start posting their retractable pan storage ideas. A simple drawer slide attached to the top of a cupboard that you can hang your pots and pans on. Brilliant. The only trouble is, in our kitchen we've got drawers above the cupboards, so I can't simply just attach a drawer slide there, so I've had a different idea. So the first thing I need to do for the retractable pan storage is mark the back panel piece that will attach directly to the drawer slides. Now the drawer slides I'm using are 400mm long and them full extension, so they slide all the way out, which should give easy access to the pans when they're in the cupboard. For the back panel, I'm going to cut it off at 20cm. So I'm measuring 20cm, I can make a mark and cut that off straight. Now that I've got this 20cm wide back panel piece cut off, I'm also going to cut off a 17cm wide piece and we'll turn that into 2 triangles. So I got the back panel cut and I got the strip of plywood cut that will turn into triangles. I also went ahead and cut a square block of wood. This has been cut to the same length as the back panel. This measures 43mm square and this is what we're going to actually hang the pans from. So for now I can put the back panel to one side and I can mark out the triangles. To mark out the triangles I'll be using this square block of wood, offering it up to the top corner and making a mark on the side. I'll also bring back in the back panel. I'll be offering it up flush to the back of the plywood and scoring a line. I'll then also be turning it round and using it as a reference to mark the 20cm point. Now I can join those 2 marks up and it'll give me a line to cut to. So now I've got these 2 triangle pieces cut, you can kind of see how the construction's going to go together. And then the square wooden block will sit in between. And then I'll get held together with screws as well. So then all of this unit can then get attached to the drawer slides and slide in and out of the cupboard and the pans will hang underneath. But first, before we do all that, we've got to get the pieces sanded. So now I've got all the pieces sanded, I can put it together. I'm going to be keeping the construction really simple. I'm literally putting them together with just wood screws, but I will be drilling pilot holes first. The construction is basically done now, we just need to add the drawer slides. Now first I want to try just one drawer slide, put it in the cupboard, see if it can hold the weight, because if it can, then we've saved an extra drawer slide. If not, I'll just have to rearrange them and use the 2 instead. To make it a lot easier to fit the drawer slides, I'm going to separate them, and that's done with a little black plastic latch on the underside. You pinch it in and it releases the slides. Now I can easily fit that onto the back panel. I did give just the 1 drawer slide a try, but it was far too weak, so I need to add the second one on as well. Now I've got both the slides on, I can test fit it in the cupboard. It all seems to be fitting okay, it's sliding nice and smooth, so I can take it back out and give it a coat of paint. Now that it's all painted and it fits nice in the cupboard, we can add the hooks. Did you know if you struggle turning a hook by hand to fit it into some wood, that you can still use a screwdriver, just not how you would usually use it? Pass it through the hook and now you can use it like a handle. It's far easier to turn it this way. So that's the retractable pan storage done. As you can see, it's a really simple project, but it gives you nice easy access to all your pots and pans. As I said at the beginning, it's me adapting a design that I saw on the DIY on a Budget Facebook group. The users over there had posted it, but it was attached to the centre of the cupboard. Unfortunately, because I've got drawers there, I can't do it in this one. So adding it to the side, I think it's a decent alternative. But what would you have done? Would you have come up with this solution? Or would you have maybe put a full shelf that could slide out instead? I don't know, let me know in the comments down below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure you click the subscribe button and then click the little bell icon next to it. That way you'll get a notification as soon as you upload a new video. Thank you all for watching.